So good morning everyone. Today we are going to see about the communication skills. So as we all know about what is in the communication skills, it is about the LSRW. So L stands for listening and R stands for reading, S stands for speaking and W stands for writing. So in that writing skills, it is important for the engineering students, and especially this writing skills needs for technical writing. In that technical writing, one of the important topic is about writing the instruction, because without writing instruction, so we cannot say anything in our workplace. So that's why we must know what is a writing instruction. So in that instruction, the definition is, so the instructions are those step-by-step explanation of how to do something, and this can be written for how to write a building, or how to operate on a machine, or how to repair, or how to problem solving, and how to maintain a things. These are all the things, the places which needs instruction writing. And the good instruction writing requires a few points. They are as it should be a clear, simple, and it should be a thorough understanding of the procedure and ability to put yourself into the place of the reader, and you must know how to visualize the procedure in a great detailed manner, and finally willingness to go that extra distance and test yourself instructions. So these are all the important things you must know it. And the basic feature of instruction is, it should be like in a specific and precise. We cannot make it in a detailed sentences, so we have to give it as in a precise manner. And the second important thing is, you have to give a background information. Without giving a background information, the reader may not understand the instruction. So that's why the background information is important. And next to this is, you have to give the list of parts. So only know about the parts, they can able to install tools or whatever may be the machine. And you must give all the safety information and conclusion that signals completion of the task, because without knowing the completion, they may not operate the machines. So that's why we have to give all these basic features in the instruction. Then for this writing instruction, we must have some checklist. So checklist, how we have to know it is, before we start anything of handling it, we have to check all the things, what are all the parts that they have given in the parcel. So use short sentences and a short paragraph, and arrange your points in a logical order. Because if you give an ambiguity way, so they cannot understand the instruction, then that will be difficult for them, for the readers. And make your statements specific and use the imperative mode, because we cannot give the instruction for a particular person, because this is for a common people. So common reader, so we have to go with an impersonal person, so we have to start with an action verb. So if you write an instruction, give some examples also, and how they have done it before, then how they have to follow for the particular thing. And check your completed draft for a logical presentation, and don't omit any of the step, because if they skip the step, automatically that will be a big problem for them. So next one is the instruction structure. So when we see the instruction structure, first we must concentrate the step by step. So first step, second step, third step, they have to go. Once they get into the process, then using the index, and using the index, what are all the steps 1, 2, 3 that they have to concentrate. Then, so number each step and use a chronological order. Chronological order means the latest one first, and then next it has to come, and then follow the basic pattern. So what are all the basic patterns? That is the instruction, then describe how, and what are all the things that you have to show it in as in a picture or in a symbols. So these things you have to follow in the basic pattern. After that, you have to emphasize the result of each step or main process we have to give it. then place warning. So the warning is much important, because there may be some difficult things that they cannot manage it, or they should not do it. So what are all the things the warning should be given, that has to be given there. So thank you very much everyone.